Welcome to our channel where today we unlock the simple steps to activate your Netspend prepaid card without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the quick and easy way to activate your Netspend prepaid card so you can start using it right away. First, before you begin, make sure you have your Netspend card handy along with a valid ID and your personal information ready for verification. Step 1 is to locate the activation method that suits you best. Netspend offers several options including online activation, phone activation, and activation via their mobile app. For the online method, simply visit the official Netspend website and navigate to the Activate Card section. Enter the card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and your date of birth to verify your identity. Submit the information and wait for confirmation that your card is activated. If you prefer phone activation, call the number printed on the back of your card. Follow the automated instructions which will guide you through inputting your card number and personal information securely. This method is straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes. Alternatively, you can download the Netspend mobile app available on both iOS and Android devices. After downloading, log in or create an account, then select the option to activate your card. The app provides a user-friendly interface, making it simple to follow the prompts needed for activation. After successful activation through any of these methods, your Netspend prepaid card will be ready for deposits, purchases, and ATM withdrawals. Ensure that you sign the back of your card for security purposes and keep your account details safe. Also, remember to set up alerts and notifications within the Netspend app or website to monitor transactions and maintain security. Activating your Netspend card is designed to be quick and effortless to get you spending sooner. Don't wait to take advantage of your card benefits. Get started now by choosing your preferred activation method. Lastly, thank you for watching and using our guide to get your Netspend prepaid card activated easily.